That glass panel just there by Alice is one of the last pieces of memorabilia from the office. A little bit of a reminder of what it was the curtain over there. Where the bubble wrap is, that is the bubble. In the top of the music room. The next step in the process. At the far left by bubble wrap, with a hat full of fruit, and who takes the fruit, floors her head, and squeeze it on the hat of Mexican. Get over 2 seconds. Now people ask me how to make it. Well, if you want to make it on the spot, you take it over and you get it. Slide is the back. So, the boats. We have 28 boats on the ride, but we can take 32. We've decided to take 28. It makes the experience a little better. Each boat can take 4 people. 4, not 12 people can be on this ride at a single time, which I think is pretty amazing. Compared to Dragon's Fury, it can take 12. So there's always a good flow of people. Here we have our bubble workers. Originally, they had long, thin heads, which gave them the nickname, kids, cover your ears. That is, Billy heads. We call them Billy heads. We've created a giant moon on the side of the map, so it's actually very, very good. Which means this family are all in conflict, all of us getting all this to just be. I feel this is Joe Seals, no over there. Hello Alex, okay. 20 foot by 30 foot long. And by the edge of the devices, by the edge of the land, device there you can see a motion sensor, which sets off the camera. There we go. Head into the next room, and do it all for yourself. Be careful of the ledge and the land. And the crazy jump from that side. I mean, each other. In the midst of all holding on to them, here they are kept apart. It's the same system that we should all go through. Looking at very big ones like Dragon's Fury, as I said, really blank. So the electricians they take the two. So they have 3 pipes. One there, one around there, and one over there. Hello, is it John? I've been told by this man here, to subscribe to Theme Park Incorporated. Theme Park Incorporated. I was told to shout out to Theme Park Incorporated. Did that work? Was that okay?
Right, yeah.
This is the gift shop for the bubble bugs. We're about to go on the VIP bubble bugs tour. It's going to be fun, yeah? Okay, bye for now. Have a lovely life.